Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix JavaScript errors on your Windows. So if you encounter JavaScript error, then I'm going to share to you this simple method. So let's go quick into it. First is you need to open your web browser. Simply search for that in the Windows search bar. Now here in your Chrome browser, you have to click on the three dots at the top right corner. Then you have to select settings. Now first we can do is we need to make sure that the web browser that we are using is updated, as outdated ones can also be a cause for JavaScript errors. Click on About Chrome, and once you click on that, that will automatically update your Chrome browser. So in my case, there is still an restart that I'm going to do in order to update my Chrome browser. So in your case, you just have to simply click on About Chrome, and that will update your Chrome browser. Now for the next method is we also need to clear the cache and cookies, because corrupted cookies can also be one of the cause. Click on Privacy and Security. Now click on Delete Browsing Data, Delete History, Cookies, Cache, and more. And you have two options on how you can delete the browsing data. It could be basic or advanced. Go to advanced. Time range, change that to all time. Browsing history checked, download history checked, cookies and other site data checked, cached images and files checked, site settings checked, hosted app data checked, but do not check the password and the autofill form data because that will just clear your saved passwords. Click on delete data. Then we also need to remove faulty extensions. So still in the options on the left pane, click on extensions. And here you'll find all the extensions that you have on your web browser. So in my case, I have just removed the unnecessary extensions. So what you can do is you just need to simply disable that extension, especially faulty extensions. And you can also completely remove that. Then for the next method, we also need to make sure that our JavaScript is enabled on our web browser. So again, you have to go back to settings, scroll up, and you'll find privacy and security. Click on security. Then scroll down, and under advanced, you'll find this option, manage V8 security. Turn on additional protection in Chrome's JavaScript and WebAssembly engine. Then you have to make sure that sites can use V8 optimizer. Chrome's run faster and features that use JavaScript should work as designed. Make sure this button is selected. And once done, close out of here. Then we also need to turn off our firewall, because this can block the JavaScript. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and type security. Now you'll find Windows Security under the best match. Click on that. Then you have to select virus and threat protection. Then you have to select virus and threat protection settings. Click on manage settings. Turn off real-time protection. Then click on firewall and network protection. Click on domain network and turn off the Microsoft Defender firewall. And then close out of here. Then for the last method is we also need to make sure that our Windows is up to date. So click on the start button and go to settings. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, simply click on Windows Update and click this button right here to check for the latest updates of your Windows. So that's it. By doing those steps, I know the JavaScript error will be fixed. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.